we're gonna meet up with Owen, a senior communications student in the Brookdale College of Arts and Sciences, who has such a charming personal story and a fascinating role at the university's student-run radio station. Owen, you're on air.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing well. I'm a proud resident student here at the University of Akron, where I major in communication with a focus in public relations and a minor in news. The School of Communication is one of the many departments in the Brookdale College of Arts and Sciences, and there are many clubs that students can join. I am a member and DJ of our college radio station, 88.1 WZIP Akron. We're the world's most listened to student-run college radio station. And yes, you heard me right, the most listened to in the world. And there are a number of activities that students can join here at WZIP. You can be in underwriting, production, music programming, social media, and many, many more. Our TV station, ZTV, is student-run as well, and we have a number of originally produced TV shows. And you do not have to be a communication student to join these extracurricular activities. If you've always pictured yourself on TV or the radio, this is the place for you. The experiences at the University of Akron not only prepare you for your career, but help you get involved in things you've always dreamed of doing. Being from Akron, Ohio, I grew up listening to this station and have wanted to join WZIP since I was 10 years old. And if only I would have known 10 years later that I would be on air multiple times a week. I have learned so much through my experiences here at the University of Akron that I am so thankful for. You're on, Alex.
Wow, Owen, I bet your 10-year-old self would be thrilled to see you living your dreams on WZIP. Akron's media programs give students the chance to work real positions, from on-air DJ to TV show producer, and to earn national awards. In fact, Akron's ZTV has earned 12 Emmy Awards and more than 50 nominations in the last 10 years. That is incredible. Thanks again.